Salud, friends. Let's do trading wisely. I'll help you with that. The smart robot Fix Profit helps me to analyze the market better and make competent decisions. You can get the bot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to make a paid subscription. If you have any questions, then write in private messages to the manager. He will tell you everything. The big advantage of this tool is that it can read OTC trading. That is what I will do now. I start working on the currency pair dollar, franc OTC. 5 minutes. So the artificial intelligence is telling me to go higher. In its opinion, it's a rational action. In this situation, I agree with it. The periodicity of data update in the robot is 1 minute. After several declining highs, price has reached a point from which it can probably push off and develop a new upward momentum as the bears have used up their potential. Folks, to make sure you don't miss out on new useful content, click on subscribe to channel and on the bell. Give us a like and comment, we care about your feedback. Now I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. All partners will get it. To become a partner, write to me in private messages on the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. Let's get one thing clear. Trading isn't some glittering slot machine waiting to hit jackpot. It's not a movie montage where you click a button and suddenly you're sipping champagne on a yacht. It's work. Strategic, measured, disciplined work. And anyone who tells you otherwise, they're selling something. Let's start with something most people skip over: money management. The silent killer in trading isn't the market. It's poor money discipline. It's overleveraging. It's betting the house on a hunch because you felt the chart turning. Don't be that guy. Here's the golden rule. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your deposit on a single trade. That means if you've got $500 in your account, you're putting down $5 to $10 per trade, max. It's not flashy. It won't make for a viral Instagram story. But it keeps you alive. This is your financial oxygen mask. Ignore it, and you'll suffocate. Your capital is not a lottery ticket. It's your toolkit. Think of it like a military campaign. No general throws all his troops into the first skirmish. You measure, you plan, you act. That's how you win in the long run. And speaking of the long run, let's talk failure. Everyone fails in trading. Every single one. You think Warren Buffett never saw red? You think Ray Dalio never took a loss? Come on, look at pop culture. Rocky got knocked out. Tony Stark blew up his company before building the suit. Even Bezos started Amazon in a garage. The difference? They stayed in the game. You will lose. You'll make a bad call. You'll doubt yourself. And you'll be tempted to throw in the towel. But if you keep showing up, keep learning, keep tweaking, that's where mastery lies. You're not here to win one trade. You're here to build a system, a mindset, a rhythm. Consistency beats intensity. Always. Now, I've seen this shift lives. I know people who quit dead-end jobs, who got off night shifts, who stopped grinding just to pay rent, because they learned to trade smart. Not fast, smart. So, I've finalized the first deal. You can see the result. I share my experience. It's not financial advice. I show you how I do it. We help with training. To chat about training, write our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. So, I press the green key again. The bot tells me that the bulls are not going to back down. I think that the buyers will indeed be able to take advantage of another support zone for the price to push off from it and form a new local uptrend or consolidation with a slight bias in favor of the bulls. Friends, we have a group in Telegram, where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, link below the video. Let's talk about risk, because no one wants to, but everyone should. Trading is risk, just like launching a business, investing in real estate, or starting a restaurant. There are no guarantees, there are no safety nets, but there is strategy, and when you apply discipline and data, the odds start to shift in your favor. Still think it's not worth it? Let's do some math. Say you're trading with $100. You risk $1 per trade. You hit 80% returns per win. That's 80 cents. Decent for learning. But now picture this. Same strategy, $1,000 deposit. You're risking $10 per trade. That's $8 per win. Scale that to 5 trades a day, and now we're talking income. This is why I always say, fund your account as fully as you responsibly can. Don't borrow, don't overextend, but understand that capital is leverage. Use it wisely. Now, let's sharpen your edge even more, analyzing your trades. This is where traders separate from gamblers. Don't just react, reflect. After every session, go back. What was your entry? What was the logic? Did you follow your rules or chase a feeling? Review the setups. Look at RSI, MACD, stochastic, whatever indicators you use. The story is always there, you just have to read it. Charts aren't just lines and candles. They're the heartbeat of the market. Learn to hear it, and while we're talking future, think about this. Automation isn't coming. It's already here. Financial firms are shifting their entire analysis structures to machine learning models and automated intelligence. These systems aren't replacing humans, they're empowering them. You think you're just trading? You're participating in a global transformation. With IoT and data pipelines feeding real-time information into models, your assistant bot is just the beginning. Soon, systems will account for port congestion in Shanghai or satellite weather patterns over Brazil, and all that will feed into your trade recommendations. This is the edge, and it's available to retail traders who think ahead. Drop a comment below. Tell me your strategy, your process. What indicator changed the game for you? What setup do you rely on? Let's make this a community where we don't just pretend everything's perfect, but where we learn from each other. Hit like if this hit you. Subscribe if you want the real stuff. No fluff, no overnight promises, just tools and truth. Because the market doesn't care about your feelings, but it will reward your work. And you? You were made for this.